Hi, everybody. And it is May 25th, Wednesday, the middle of the week. Today, we are going to look at the stats, and the times are changing, everybody. A year ago, we had half the of days of inventory than we have now. Last year, we had 18 days of inventory. Now we have 34 days of inventory. So things are changing. What is it? Well, we had a lot of pent up buyers last year from the pandemic. That's part of it. And homes were just flying off the shelf, but we were maintaining the inventory. We were putting them back on the shelf. Just like yesterday, we listed 115 homes, even though we sold 100 and we closed 87 yesterday, but our average for the month is 120 sales a day. That's pretty good. Last year was 133. May was a brisk month last year, as you can see. But last year, the price was 386. That's a big difference. And the interest rates were 3%. So a lot of things have changed, and that's changing our market. But one of the things that you need to understand, it's not going to change the buyers. The buyers are coming. We talked Monday about the millennials. 43% of the buyers are millennials, and that's not going to stop. There are more millennials than ever before, and they are buying homes. To that point, 475,000 and under that price point, we listed 41 homes yesterday. We have 851 homes in that median price range, and that's really very, very good. It has been down in the 400s in late last year, early this year. So the variety is much, much larger than it was. So let's look at it, see what else stands out here. We're selling $5.5 million homes a day. We're going to talk about the $1 million home of the day in a minute. And let's see, one of the other tidbits I wanted to tell you is when I was doing the stats last year, same time last year, exact same day, Zillow was number 1 and Open Door was number 3. This year, guess what? Open Door is number 1 and Zillow is number 3. That's in Las Vegas. So I believe what's happening is Alexis out there, Alexis Rogers, you're doing a great job at promoting your brand, Open Door, and reaching people. And you know, my motto for the year is you've got a plan, you've got to have a database, and you have to have a system to consistently contact that database. That's how these big companies are becoming number 1, 2, 3, and 4 in our market, is because they are reaching out to people that we are not reaching. For whatever reason, I don't know, but not that we're doing a terrible job, but I mean, that's pretty, when the first 4 in our transactions for the year are iBuyer platforms, that should give you some pause, and that should give you some reason to stop buying leads. Instead, get qualified opportunities. A qualified opportunity is someone that you are marketing to directly, and that is your farm. And I just preach every day for people to farm. Don't buy leads. And you know, the leads you buy, other people are getting those same leads. Maybe not from that same company, but they are getting those same buyers and sellers across the board, because there's only so many of them. You know, they just don't manufacture them. Just a word to the wise: farm, get qualified opportunities. It takes time, but believe me, it works.